tutorials about how to get apart the newer connectors on there, turn signals, our CanBus wires on our hand controls. These connectors are starting to become more and more popular in the Harley-Davidson world. We've seen a lot of guys cut them and solder them back together. We've seen some really strange ways of taking this stuff apart. We're going to show you the simplest way of doing this. It only takes a few seconds, really. So a lot of guys are getting these powder coated anymore. So once we remove our turn signal, this plug is large and it will not fit through this hole. So simplest way to do it is going to be to essentially take this connector apart. Really all you need is a safety pin. There's the pin and then a small hole right above it. We want to pay attention to our colors so we can stick them back together, but essentially we're just going to stick the safety pin in, and I'm going to bend it down to kind of release that secondary lock. The wiring should then just pull right out for us, like so. So what it is, there's a small plastic tang in there that I'm actually trying to hook and bend up. It's the same on our hand control wires. This will be your wiring running through your 2014 and newer style handlebars. Same scenario, you'll stick the safety pin in, bend it, pin comes right out. In order for this to go back together, these pins are directional. If you notice, where the crimp side is, that is going to go up towards that larger hole, and you actually hear it click into place. Once we've removed our connector off of the end, go ahead and remove your turn signal assembly. Small slots right here. Stick a good flat screwdriver in it, slight twist. This will pop off. It's very easy to break these plastic tangs. On your turn signal, remove your bulb. You can use a pick. Small flat screwdriver will also work. I want to get between the chrome housing and the plastic portion here that's actually holding our bulb. Get in there and the slight pry up. Take it and feed your wire through. This comes apart. There's a small rubber boot inside. That's pretty much it. Going back together, exact reverse procedure. I do find it easier to go ahead and stick my rubber boot on my lens here first. Now I can stick my wiring back through my hole. This piece of rubber right here fits inside of this groove right here. So I'll spin this guy around. This guy pops into place. Same deal, you'll see a notch here. So this notch is going to line up with this guy right here. This guy will pop back into place. Once this guy's seated, stick your ball back in place. You're gonna have to edit this. You can pop your lens back on. Put your bolt back in. So the next thing we have to do is stick our connectors back into our plastic housing. As you go to install it, if you try to install it incorrectly, it will not fit. Connectors back together, bam, you're done. How easy is that? Thank you guys.